Hey, bio folks. It's Christy. This is week 6 of online school, which is insane. It's insane that we've been at this now for 6 weeks. I don't know about you guys, but I am really getting sick of this whole doing everything inside deal. I have never in my adult life had hair this long. I really wish I knew how to clip my own hair because it's driving me absolutely insane. What is this? I don't even know. What is it? So bad. Anyway, um, so this video, well, I'm actually nobody is 100% where they need to be right now. So I just want to take can't get my hair right, guys. Wait. All right. I just want to take a few minutes to, go over a couple things from previous weeks. Again, this is a student profile page, so this is what your Schoology page should look like. So if I go up to courses, and then I go into my bio section here, the first thing you'll notice as soon as you sign on is a Let's Get Caught Up doc. So if you don't have any stickers, or say you don't know if you have stickers, or you don't know where you're at, this is what I would click first to figure out where you're at. And then it brings you to a screen, and then all you have to do is click on here, right? Watch this video here, and you click on that, and this will bring you to one of my YouTube videos where I'm just going over basics, like what you need to do for the beginning. Hi, bio folks. It's what you need to do for the beginning to kind of get caught up, or even get started. Also, I'll say this. Normally, I don't say this in regular class, guys. If you haven't started, normally when we get to this time of year, I'm like, ooh, you might not have time. I really do think you'll all have time to get caught up. So even if you don't have any stickers, you could still try right now, and I bet that you would get caught up in like a week or 2 weeks. So don't feel discouraged if you are behind. Okay, I understand, and I'm also trying to space the assignments apart so I give you more time to complete these. I understand that everybody's situation at home is different right now. Some of you have internet all the time, some of you don't. A lot of you have a lot of things going on. Some of you are moving. I get it. I'm really lenient. Also, I'm here to help. So if any of you guys need one-on-one, just text me, and I'm happy to get on a video chat or just a phone. You guys haven't been asking me a lot of questions, so it's gonna make the assignments a lot more difficult. I feel like if you just try to do it 100% by yourself. So just use me if you can. All right. So now I'm gonna go back to that main page for bio. Underneath, get caught up. It's this week's. So if you've been following along with me, I have a different color every week. So starting with your sticker assignments are all starting from let's see, right here. So purple. So purple was the first sticker assignment. And green was the second sticker assignment. Purple, green, and red was the third sticker assignment. So yellow is our 4th week. And also, I want to read this. I know a lot of you guys haven't been reading these, which is why I try to read them in the video. So it says, hi folks, you can find everything you need for Learning Target 4 in this yellow folder. There will be no quiz this week. Yeah. There will be reflection questions that are due. Man, I don't know why that happens. They're going to be due Monday, 5/18. If I pull up my calendar here, guys, Monday, 5/18 is 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 days from now. I'm giving you 11 days to get these questions done. So in my mind, these 11 days you can get all caught up and be right where you need to be on the 18th and be passing. Okay? Please let me know if you have questions. All right, so I'm going to open up this folder, and I have 2 things this week, right? It says I have notes and I have reflection questions. So I'm going to go ahead and open up my reflection questions first, just so we're looking at our assignment and you know what's up. So I'm going to open up reflection questions for bio right here. Open that up. One thing you guys are going to notice right away is it's a PDF. You cannot put your answers, see I'm typing right now? Nothing. You can't put your answers in a PDF. So I'm most likely going to get 1 or 2 students texting me being like, well, I don't know how to answer these. So here's what I want you to do. I'm explaining it right now. I want you to copy everything. Copy, copy, copy. Copy, copy, copy. Control C. And then you're going to go to your drive. If you don't, once you're in drive, you're going to go to new. And you're going to go to Google Doc. And then once you have a nice new clean Google Doc, you're going to go Control V, and that means paste. Give it a minute. All right, we're good. And then you're going to go up to where it says Untitled Document, and you're going to put in your name. So Christy, not my name, but your name. Christy, bio, week. Let's do, instead of week, let's do learning target 4 assignment. You can say week 5, that's fine. I'm sure I won't get confused. But yeah, so learning target 4 works. Hit enter. And then the last thing you want to do before you start is hit share. And then share it with me. So wait for it to load. Bam. Bam. And then once you've shared it with me, then I can see what you're doing. It helps me know where you're at, and it helps me be able to come in and help you too. I can leave you feedback. I can actually put in comments on the doc. So I can go up here and be like, hey, you are right, but you missed whatever, right? And I can give you feedback. Okay, so now I'm gonna go back to Schoology. Nope, not there. I'm gonna go back to Schoology. And then I'm gonna open up the notes. So I'm gonna go back to bio, week 5, notes. I've said this in other videos, you don't have to if you don't like it like this, it's weird, and I know a lot of people are particular when they're reading and stuff. So 2 things, you don't have to keep it this big. You can make it smaller by doing this. I wouldn't make it that small. Also, you can download the notes, so it says there's a little down arrow. Click on that down arrow. And then you can have these notes downloaded, and then you can save them to your computer, so then you don't have to go on Schoology to access them later, right? If you want to do that, you go up here, click the down arrow, and you can save it to your desktop or wherever you want to save it. Okay, cool. So now I'm gonna go ahead and start the notes for the week. So just going back really quick to the questions here, guys. Your job in the next 11 days is to answer. Oh man, these did not come out very well. Let's see. It looks like they copied more than once. That's weird. I don't know why. So I can fix this though. Let's do. we go, if we paste, so you can Control V for paste, guys. I think most of you know this, but if you can also just hit the word paste, right? So you right click and then hit paste. I'm curious to see if this makes it format better, and it didn't. It's annoying. Okay, let's try one other thing. Right click. We say paste without formatting, what happens? That came out better. See, it's always different based off the docs. Okay, so this tells me, guys, you need to go in when you paste your questions. You want to right click, and then you want to click on paste without formatting, and then it's going to be in a format that works for you to answer the questions. That's important. Okay, cool. So I'm looking at my questions, and I have 20 questions to answer from the slides. Okay, 20 questions to answer from the slides. That ends here. I would give yourself some space after this 20, right? And then these questions are kind of like my quiz. It's not a quiz. It's not a quiz, but I'm grading them like it's a quiz, right? So it says on a piece of paper, write down each of the 3 disaccharides discussed in the slides. Underneath each of the disaccharides, write down the mark. So you have a set of like directions here that you're going to do for me on a separate piece of paper, okay? Also, I give you directions right here. It says, please do the following steps on a piece of notebook paper. You can take a picture of the assignment when you are done and upload it to Schoology, or text it to me. Please expect to have to revise these if they're not right. Okay? So, again, you have 20 questions to answer from the slides. They should be fairly easy. If you have 1 or 2 of them wrong, I'm not going to make you redo them. Then you have these 8 questions, which I'm treating like a quiz. If you get them wrong, I will make you revise them. Okay? So if you have any questions about that, just let me know. So I'm going to end this video here. In my next video, I'm going to go through the notes. I'm not going to answer these questions for you guys, but I am going to go through the notes so that at least you hear me teaching the material. What I would do if I was a student is listen to me teach and then see if I can answer the questions as the teacher is teaching. So I would listen to my video and see if I can get my answers written down as I'm going through them. That's what I would do. Okay, I hope everyone is safe and happy and healthy, and I will see you hopefully in a few seconds when you click on the next video. Peace!